Hi, I'm Ava, virtual presenter of the Innova Plus channel. Innova Plus News, biotechnology and technological innovation is on the air, bringing publications available on the internet on March 21st, 2024. But before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so thank you so much for your support. Enjoy and press the notification bell to stay on top of the channel's news, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's go to today's posts. First block, Biotechnology. News number 1, Diário de Coimbra, March 21st, 2024. University of Coimbra leads European project to create brain regeneration technology. The University of Coimbra, UC, is leading a European research project funded by the European Union, EU, with around €3 million to develop a new brain regeneration technology. The Regenerate project aims to develop an innovative technology that can potentially improve neuron regeneration in diseases with limited therapeutic options. Scientists will use epigenetic tools to convert dormant brain cells into functional neurons. The process involves using the body's existing cells, converting them into cells that have increased after the disease, and turning them into neuronal cells crucial for brain function. The research could also pave a way to improve the treatment of health problems such as cerebral arterial disease, stroke, or neurodegenerative diseases. The central nervous system has a minimal capacity for self-repair, and it is necessary to create alternatives that can replace the neurons lost due to injuries. News number 2. The antagonist Crusoé, March 21st, 2024, cancer vaccine in 2026? BioNTech, a German biotech company known for its collaboration with Pfizer in the production of one of the first COVID-19 vaccines, has announced ambitious plans to introduce cancer treatments to the market by 2026. The company is working on several cancer treatments, including therapeutic and mRNA-based vaccines. The company expects the skin cancer vaccine, currently in late-stage trials, to receive regulatory approval by 2025, paving the way for the launch of follow-on drugs for severe lung tumor subtypes, metastatic NSCLC, or breast subtypes, HER2. BioNTech hopes that the use of mRNA technology, which instructs the body's cells to produce specific proteins to produce immune responses against cancer cells, will provide a new range of personalized and effective cancer treatments. The company is also developing immunotherapies and cell therapies that use the immune system to fight cancer. The announcement highlights the potential of biotechnology and genetic medicine to revolutionize oncology, offering hope to millions of patients around the world. News number 3, BR, TradingView.com, March 21st, 2024. Mirador Therapeutics raises over $400 million in early funding rounds. Mirador Therapeutics has secured more than $400 million in seed funding for precise medicines for immune diseases, despite a significant decline in initial funding levels. Easing inflationary pressures, rising interest rates, and promising drug discovery data are driving the biotech finance market, which has experienced a recession over the past year. In 2023, venture capital in the EU biopharmaceutical industry was $18.4 billion, a decrease of 25% compared to the previous year. The seed funding was led by Arch Venture Partners and other prominent investors, including OrbiMed and Sanofi SAN. Mirador is focusing on skin, pulm, and gastrointestinal diseases and is seeking approval from the EU drug regulator to begin human therapy trials in the coming months. The company's platform, Mirador 360, uses genetic analysis or molecular profiles of patients to create potential treatments that consider differences in genes, environments, and lifestyles. News number 4, weekly, March 21st, 2024. IFRS students from Bento Gonçalves receive medals from the National Science Olympiad. 2 students from the Federal Institute of Education, Science, Technology, IFRS, Bento Gonçalves campus were awarded medals at the 2023 National Science Olympiad. Romulo Eduardo Jurado and Luis Eduardo Carneiro won first and second place, respectively. Jurado, by Carlos Barbosa, has been featured in the Olympics since elementary school. Carneiro, who studied at the Santa Barbara Master State, won a bronze medal and an honorable mention at the Olympics. He also won a medal at the Brazilian Astronomy Olympiad and a medal at the Chess Championship. The Olympiad is a technical scientific event organized by the Federal University of Piauí and the Ministry of Science, Technology, and Innovations. It is aimed at students in elementary school, high school, 4th and 5th grades of technical education, as well as students in youth and adult education. The tests are carried out digitally, involving topics such as astronomy, biology, physics, history, and chemistry. News number 5, segs.com. BR, March 21, 2024. Futurist analyzes the technology supercycle trend and highlights the role of skills in the new era. Futurist Amy Webb addresses the trend of the technological supercycle, especially the balances between artificial intelligence, AI, connected ecosystems of things, and biotechnology. The futurist says that this technological supercycle is a new period of expansion, and today's leaders do not know what to do and act on phenomena, such as fear of missing out, FOMO. Connected ecosystems will migrate from large language models to large action models, increasingly occupying the individual's day. AI needs to be thought of from the fundamental problem in its model, while biotechnology will be responsible for moving technology and closing the triad of the technological supercycle. Futurist and speaker Borja Castella believes that Generation T, the current transition generation, will experience and need to have attention, tools, and/or structures to evaluate changes in society and the economy, as well as constant and continuous updates. Second block. Technological innovation. News number 6. Industry News Agency, March 21, 2024. What do intellectual property and technology transfer have to do with development? The National Confederation of Industry, CNI, is hosting a free event on intellectual property and technology transfer for innovation and sustainability, which will take place this Thursday, June 26, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The event, which will be held in a hybrid format, will discuss the challenges and opportunities related to intellectual property and technology transfer in Brazil and worldwide. The event will feature a panel discussion with Cynthia Kennedy, a renowned expert in intellectual property and technology licensing. The event will also feature a panel discussion on potential synergies between the National Intellectual Property Strategy, ENPI, and the National Innovation Strategy, ENCTI. The event will also discuss the role of National Innovation Centers, NITs, in the management of intellectual property and technology transfer, the use of patent data for the mapping of technological trends, and the promotion of patent issuance and commercialization of technology in Brazil. The event will also feature representatives from various organizations and institutions. News number 7. Union of Metallurgical, Mechanical and Electrical Material Industries of Manaus, SIMMMEM, March 21, 2024. Innovation reaches 68% of the industry, but only 34% has invested in research and development. In 2022, 68% of medium and large Brazilian industries promoted innovation in products or processes, but only 34% invested in research and development. The biannual Pintech study found that 40% of innovative industries intended to increase R&D costs last year, and 51% expect to expand them in 2024. However, the range of these innovations is limited, with most products being new only relative to the company's portfolio. The main barriers to innovation were economic instability, competitive disruption, and limited resources. The main instruments to innovate and seek public support were tax incentives for R&D and technological innovation, as well as financing for the acquisition of machinery and equipment for innovation. In 2022, the innovation rate was 68.1%, with 33% implementing new products and business processes simultaneously. The manufacturing and equipment sector led the ranking, with 89.3%. The largest sectors were metallurgy, refining, coke, biofuels, and maintenance and repair. By 2024, 72% of non-innovative companies expected to maintain their sales. The study further revealed that 15.8% of companies published sustainability reports in 2022, with a rate of 36.5% among companies with more than 500 employees. News number 8. Diario do Nordeste, March 21, 2024. Salmido sees renewable energy in Denmark. On Saturday, he will go to China. Salmido Filio, Secretary of Economic Development of the Danish government, will visit Envision Energy's plant in Copenhagen on September 23 to learn about its renewable energy projects. Envision Energy, a global leader in renewable energy, has reached 4.1 gigawatts (GW) of installed and operational capacity in China. The Shanghai-based company has been leading the way in incoming orders for wind turbines from outside the country. Envision Energy is a global leader in green technology, offering renewable energy solutions to businesses, governments, and institutions around the world. The company's focus is to reduce production, storage, and synergy costs through technological innovation. Envision Energy also manages the Envision Carbon Neutral Fund and owns the Envision Racing Formula E team. The company is utilizing its international network of research and development centers in China, the European Union, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and Denmark to lead the global development of green technology. Envision Energy was ranked second on Fortune magazine's Change the World list and ranked among the world's 50 smartest companies by MIT Technology Review in 2019. News number 9. Agricultural News, March 21, 2024. Chamber approves project that guarantees incentives for energy transition. The Federal Senate approved the Energy Transition Program, PATN, which aims to finance sustainable development projects, especially those related to infrastructure, technological research, and technological innovation. The program includes projects related to second-generation ethanol, biomethane, and green hydrogen. The president of the United Nations Conference on Climate Change, Evandro Gussi, highlighted the importance of PATN to ensure legal certainty for investments in renewable energy, contributing to a fairer and more sustainable future. Congressman Arnaldo Jardim estimates that the federal government and its taxpayers could receive 3.5 trillion Brazilian reals in tax credits for energy transition projects. Jardim argued that investments in renewable energy are lower than those in North America and Europe.